Hello YouTube, what is up? Today we're going to be doing another tier list. This is an animal tier list, as you can see. We have lion, wildebeest, leopard, bear, wolf, deer, cow, boar, bat, chimpanzee, orangutan, armadillo, penguin, shark, crocodile, and snake. So first thing I'm gonna do is do lion, of course. Lion, solid A, solid A. Wildebeest, solid B. Leopard, pretty tough. I'll put it above lion. Bear. See, I like bears. They're they're pretty sick. I'm not gonna lie. But bears just don't have the same, you know, edge as a lion. So I would say it has to go behind lion at A. Wolf, I don't know. Wolves are just like, they're not as good as dogs, you know what I mean? A dog, a wolf, there can be a difference here. Wolves, I don't know. It's just something about her that just brings them a rank down. Deer, C tier. Because, let me explain myself before you yell at me. A deer, they're very dumb. They're very cute. So they should go around the middle here. There'll be more in C tier. So then they will basically be in the middle. Cow. C tier. I'll say C tier because what else do cows do except give us burgers and give us milk, right? It's not a lot of boars. Boars. I do not have a good experience with boars. And boars are kind of boring, so I'll put them at D. Bats. I love bats. Bats are so cute. Bats are the cutest animals ever. I'm gonna put a bat at S. They're so cute, man. Chimpanzees. High C. Chimpanzees, they're smart. They kind of suck. They're kind of mean. Orangutans, also an S. Armadillo, B tier. Pretty cool, but also pretty boring. Penguins. I like penguins. Penguins are pretty cute. Sharks. This is a good one. We can talk about sharks. Let's talk about sharks, gentlemen. What I think a shark is like, I think a shark is aggressive. Arr, arr, arr. They don't bark, but they surely do have bite. Hold on, that was a bar. You have to say that was a bar. Okay, that was a bar. Um, I think I'm gonna put shark here with the predators. Crocodile. Mmm, pretty boring. Just a dinosaur. Snake. D tier. And that is it. Wait a second. Something has to be here. Something has to be here. Okay. Yeah, that's reasonable. Snakes, I have a bad experience with them. Where I'm from, they just suck. They just suck. So that is the tier list of animals. Is done. Very cool. Yes. So then, we'll be doing another one eventually. Goodbye, YouTube.